Okay, students, today our topic is introduction. Introduction to trigonometry. Introduction was already completed in standard 9th, but in 10th standard, what we have to do is we are going to see how the ratios are and how those ratios are applied to right angled triangle. Now, as we know, the six ratios are sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Now we know that sine theta or sine ratio is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan means opposite side upon adjacent side. Cosec hypotenuse upon opposite. Sec hypotenuse upon adjacent. And cot adjacent upon opposite. So these are the six ratios. We have studied only these three ratios in standard 9th. In standard 10th, what we have to do? We have a triangle. Of course, as we are talking about trigonometry, we have to consider only right angle triangle. Call this as A, B, C. Now, let measure angle B 90 degree. As you can see, this C angle and A angle, they are the two acute angles. So consider any one of the two. I consider angle A. Let angle A be theta. Now, as this is theta, its opposite side is this, its adjacent side is this, and this is the overall hypotenuse. Now we know that sin theta is opposite BC upon hypotenuse AC. Cos theta opposite adjacent AB upon hypotenuse AC. In this way, we can find all the six angles. Now, we will see identities. Identities, or some people call them formulae. We know one formula: sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is the basic formula and the most important formula. Basic formula. Then some formulae are there. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Third formula is sin theta 1 by cosec theta. Then the fourth formula is cos theta 1 by sec theta. If you interchange sine and cos, then the formula becomes sine and cosec, then the formula becomes cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. In this way. Now, we will move forward. Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Cosec square theta 1 plus cot square theta. We made some formulae from the same formula. एक ही फॉर्मूले से दो अलग अलग फॉर्मूले बनते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, tan square theta is equals to, if you shift 1 to that side, it will be sec square theta minus 1, or if you shift tan square theta to that side, it will be sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. In this way, from one formula we made A formula, we made B formula. In the same way, by using this formula, we can make two formulae. How? Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Another formula is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So in this way, we have taken a brief introduction of trigonometry, which we have to use while solving the questions. The next part of the trigonometry we will study in the next video. Okay, bye.